Can you get paid by watching ads? Yes, you can. Ever scrolled through social media and thought, I wish I could get paid for this? Guess what? It's possible. Companies pay big bucks for your attention. Watching ads is an easy way to cash in, all while chilling at home. No fancy degree needed, just you, your phone, and some free time. It's time to take control of your finances. Every ad you watch is a step towards your dream life. Imagine paying off debt, booking that vacation, or finally ditching your day job. This is about more than just watching videos. It's about empowerment. How ads make money. It's all about views. Ever wonder why brands are so obsessed with views? Here's the secret sauce. YouTube, TikTok, and Google make money by showing you ads. The more views an ad gets, the more money they make. And guess what? They share some of that cash with you. Think of it like this. You're basically a mini influencer. Your views tell companies what's hot and what's not. They need your attention, and they're willing to pay for it. So sit back, relax, and let those ads roll in. Ready, set, watch. Your step-by-step guide. Get ready to turn your screen time into earning time. Okay, let's make this money. It's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. First things first, you'll need accounts on YouTube, TikTok, and Google. Already have them? Perfect. If not, take a few minutes to set them up. It's quick and easy. Now let's optimize them for earning. This means tweaking your profiles and settings to maximize your income potential. YouTube. Subscribe to channels that pay for views. Look for paid-to-watch programs. These channels often have partnerships that allow you to earn money just by watching their content. Enable ads on all videos. This is crucial because ads are where the money comes from. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. The more you watch, the more you earn. So, make a playlist of videos and let them play while you do other tasks. TikTok. Follow creators who use in-video ads. These creators often have deals that pay them for ad views, and you can benefit from this too. Engage with their content, like, comment, share. TikTok rewards active users. The more you interact, the higher your chances of earning. Google. Sign up for Google Rewards. This app pays you for taking surveys and watching videos. Take surveys, watch videos, and earn Google Play credits, which you can cash out. Remember, consistency is key. The more consistent you are, the more you'll earn over time. Set aside time each day to watch ads. Treat it like a daily routine. Even just 30 minutes a day can add up to significant earnings. Treat it like a part-time job and watch those earnings grow. Keep track of your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Happy earning. Earn more, watch smarter. Tips and tricks. In today's digital age, making the most out of your online activities can be a game changer. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, these tips will help you maximize your earnings while watching ads. Want to level up your ad game? It's not just about watching ads, it's about watching them smartly and efficiently. Let's dive into some strategies that can help you get the most out of your time. Here are some pro tips to maximize your earnings. First, always stay informed. Research the best platforms that offer the highest payouts and have a good reputation. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it translates to more money in your pocket. Multiple devices. Use your phone, tablet, laptop, anything that connects. The more devices you have, the more ads you can watch simultaneously. This means you can multiply your earnings without putting in extra time. The more devices, the more ads you can watch simultaneously. Imagine having your phone, tablet, and laptop all working for you at the same time. It's like having multiple streams of income flowing in. Refer friends. Many platforms offer referral bonuses. This is a great way to boost your earnings without much effort. Simply share your referral link with friends and family. Share your link and get paid when your friends sign up. The more people you refer, the more bonuses you can earn. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Sound on. Yes, you read that right. Some platforms track engagement through audio. Keeping the sound on while watching ads can sometimes increase your earnings. Keep the sound on while watching ads. This simple trick can make a big difference. Plus, you might even find the ads more interesting with sound. Some platforms track engagement through audio, so make sure your volume is up to ensure you're getting the most out of your ad watching experience. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort. Consistency is key. The more dedicated you are, the more you'll earn over time. It takes time and effort. Set a schedule, stay organized, and keep track of your progress. Every little bit adds up, and before you know it, you'll see the results. But with the right strategy, you can turn your downtime into dollar signs. So start implementing these tips today and watch your earnings grow. Happy ad watching. Real people, real money, success stories. Don't just take our word for it. People all over are making money by watching ads.
Take Helen, for example. She's a single mom who replaced her part-time income by watching YouTube videos during her kids' nap time.
And John, a college student. He managed to pay off student loans by watching TikTok videos between classes.
These are just a couple of examples of the incredible earning potential available to you. These stories prove that anyone can do this. No matter your background or experience, you have the power to create financial freedom by simply watching ads. Stay focused, stay consistent, you got this. Building a successful side hustle requires dedication. It's easy to get discouraged, especially in the beginning. But remember why you started financial freedom: extra cash, achieving your dreams. Set realistic goals and celebrate each milestone. Made $5 today? Amazing! That's $5 more than you had yesterday. Consistency is key. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it, and watch your earnings soar. Setting goals, from side hustle to financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and that step is setting clear, actionable goals. Start by setting small, achievable goals. These small milestones will serve as the building blocks of your larger financial aspirations. Maybe it's making an extra $50 per week, or perhaps it's earning enough to cover your daily coffee fix. These small wins will add up over time. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your side hustle is paying for your favorite coffee every morning. It's a small but significant step towards financial independence. As you gain momentum, increase your goals. Challenge yourself to aim higher and achieve more. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Imagine replacing your income entirely. Picture the freedom of not relying on a traditional job for your financial needs. Write down your goals and track your progress. Keeping a record of your achievements will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Visualizing your success will keep you motivated and focused. Create a vision board with images that represent your financial goals and review it regularly. Remember, you're not just watching ads, you're building a brighter future for yourself. Each ad you watch brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Confidence is key in this journey. Financial freedom is within your reach. All it takes is a little hustle and a whole lot of watching ads. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Avoiding scams. Don't be fooled. Unfortunately, not every opportunity is legit. Be wary of websites or apps that promise unrealistic earnings or require upfront payments. Remember, legitimate platforms pay you to watch ads, not the other way around. Do your research and read reviews before signing up for anything. Stick to well-known platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Google. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Your financial well-being is important. Protect it. Beyond ads, more ways to monetize your time. Watching ads is just the beginning. Once you've mastered the art of getting paid to watch, explore other ways to monetize your time online. Take surveys, participate in focus groups, or become a virtual assistant. The possibilities are endless. The key is to be proactive and seek out opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Remember, your time is valuable. Don't settle for a 9-to-5 that doesn't fulfill you. Embrace the digital age and create a life you love on your own terms. You are worthy. Believe in your earning power. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving financial success. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Embrace the hustle, stay focused, and watch as you transform your life one ad at a time. You are worthy of abundance and prosperity. Claim it. Go out there and make those dreams a reality. The world is yours for the taking.